Hello everyone, namaste and welcome back to our yoga videos. So today we start. Take your position, take your comfortable chair and inhale, exhale and stretch your neck side by side and center. Then after that neck circle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Normal inhale, exhale. Keep your back straight. Relax your shoulder and slowly circle. Then next, shoulder roll. 10 to 15 times back and 10 to 15 times forward. Don't tight your shoulder and your neck muscle, just relax and round circle. Here also keep your back straight and your stomach muscle tight. Focus on your shoulders, or you can keep your hand on your shoulder and try to circle. If you can touch your elbow, it's good, otherwise just normal circle. Both side, front and back. Back straight. Inhale, exhale. Now forward. Keep focus. And almost done. Then relax. You will feel nice burn. And next we do twist, side twist. You can hold your chair here. Nicely twist. Keep your back straight. Don't pressure on your spinal cord. And nicely center. Next, leg fold and straight nicely. Don't hurt your knee. Just do 10 times. You can hold your chair and repeat with other side. Don't bend your back. Just keep straight. Keep your stomach muscle tight and relax. Next, keep your leg wide. Feet and your knees face same line and shoulder drop nicely. And inhale and exhale and other side. Don't push yourself. Do nicely. And keep your feet facing front and bend forward, both hand on your mat. Now shoulder exercise. Keep your neck straight. Focus on your mat. Don't turn your neck if you have a cervical problem, cervical pain. Just keep focus on mat and keep doing very nicely. Keep your back straight. Don't bend forward. Don't make curve. Keep straight. Normal inhale, exhale here. And relax. Then slowly up. Inhale and exhale. Keep your feet together. Keep a little bit distance between both feet. And your back straight. And one arms up. Here we're doing side exercise. Sitting Konasana. Keep your back straight, shoulders straight. and feel stretch side by side. Down, exhale, up, inhale. Don't bend forward, keep straight your back. Then you feel nice stretch. Exhale and inhale up, exhale, down. Keep your back straight and neck also. And exhale, inhale up, exhale, inhale up. Keep doing. Keep your stomach muscle tight and done. Next, relax here. Take deep breath. Exhale. Then next, keep your one leg straight. You can move forward and slowly exhale and bend forward. Stretch your hamstring nicely. Try to touch your knee with your forehead if you can, and slowly come back. And same with other leg. Keep your leg straight and exhale, forward bend and inhale. Come back, then relax. If you want, you can repeat this exercise 2 to 3 times. And next, forward bending. Exhale, down, inhale up. Inhale up, keep your arms open and back straight. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Focus on your breath and don't bend your back. Try to keep straight, nice and tall. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale up and exhale, down. Inhale, up and relax. Exhale deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your palms together like mountain, sitting mountain. Keep your feet together, back straight, chest open, neck straight, and keep your shoulder down. Don't lift up. Don't put pressure on your shoulder. Just relax and make mountain pose and hold as much as you can hold like 10 to 20 seconds, 30 seconds, depends on you. If you want, you can keep your eyes closed and open and focus on your breath. Normal, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep yourself calm. Stay in a posture and slowly exhale, arms down, and relax yourself. Next, for tone arms exercise, keep your fingers closed, your thumbs facing up, and keep your arms side by straight and drop your thumbs down. Keep your arms muscle tight. Don't put pressure on your shoulder. And when your thumb face down, keep your arm muscle tight and do 20 times, or if you can do long times, it's good. You can do every time, anytime, morning, evening, afternoon, whenever you feel or whenever you want to do, you can do this exercise. It's a really good exercise for tone arms and also help for our shoulder joint, give flexibility to our shoulder. Keep your back straight here and focus on your arms muscle and relax your shoulder. You feel really good burn here. And inhale, exhale. Then next, Keep your hand front and open your arms and close and open. When you come close, exhale, open, inhale, close, exhale, open, inhale. Keep your back straight. Don't push your arms so far. Just keep straight to your shoulder. Don't push far. Few more and relax. You will feel here also nice burn. Relax your shoulder, relax your neck, stretch your neck side by side. Then next we forward a little bit and keep your back straight and move your arm and twist side by side, only upper body. Keep your stomach muscle tight here, your back straight. Don't move your pelvic, only move your upper body, chest part, side by side, and also your neck. Go with your arms. Don't turn opposite side. Just slowly. If you want to increase speed, you can, and side by side. It helps for your sides, side fat, side muscles. Just try it and relax. Exhale and inhale. And here we will do breathing exercise. First of all, keep yourself calm. Focus on yourself. You can make Dhyan Mudra. Keep your back straight, totally in a relaxed position. Keep your eyes closed and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You have to feel your self, your breath. Inhale, exhale, deep inhale and deep exhale. Feel yourself, focus on yourself. Then next we will do Anulom Vilom. Keep your middle and index finger in your center of your eyes and right side. Inhale and left side, exhale, and again left side, inhale, right side, exhale, right side, inhale, left side, exhale. Keep doing. Focus on your pranayam. Keep doing. Feel yourself, relax yourself. You can do this pranayam at least 10 to 15 minutes. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on your forehead, middle center. Inhale. This pranayam, Anulom Vilom, is very helpful for everyone and every age group. If you have any kind of problem, you can start this pranayam with 1 minute starting or 2 minutes every morning or evening. You can sit anywhere, any comfortable position, and you can do this pranayam. And next we will do normal breathing exercise, normal just focus and meditation, and feel yourself. Feel yourself happy, stay happy, and feel yourself free of tension, no stress. Keep yourself away from the problem and inhale, exhale, calm yourself, focus yourself, inhale and exhale. And now both palms together and rub nicely until you feel warm. When you feel full warm your palms, this is your own energy. Rub nicely, and after that keep on your face and feel your own body energy, and slowly open your eyes and stay happy. Here video is almost done. We will see you in the next video. So thank you so much.